Today we're removing the rear speaker from a Toyota Prius. This is similar to the front door panel except for the courtesy light and tweeter. Along the top of the armrest we're going to go to the handhold and remove one Phillips screw and then remove this little panel for the handhold up out of the armrest. With our pry bar we're going to start at the front of the control panel, prying up to release clips, then prying up the back edge to release clips. These clips release with pry pressure and you can remove this panel up out of the armrest. This will allow you to access the back of this panel. There is a connector here that has a trigger towards the center of it that you squeeze down in to release the connector and remove the panel. With your flathead screwdriver at the door lock and door open handle assembly, we're going to pry this small back panel from this cavity and remove it. This will give access to one Phillips screw securing the door to the door panel to the door. With our pry bar, we're going to start at the bottom back edge of the door panel, work our way across the bottom, up the back, and up the front, releasing clips. These clips release with pry pressure. This will allow you to slightly pull the bottom of the door panel away from the door, lift it up out of the window jamb to remove and set this panel to the side. Check the door for any remaining clips that remained. Pry them from the door and place them back in the corresponding spot on the door panel. This is a 6.5-inch speaker riveted to the door. You will need a spacer or riser ring to install aftermarket speakers. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.